Hello folks. Today, let us unbox Wayona Dash Charging Cable. Okay, the reason I bought this was, my original OnePlus Dash Charging Cable was broken after using it for around 4 years now. Of course, you can get one from OnePlus, but it was short in length. So I was looking for a lengthier Dash Charging Cable. And then I found this on Amazon. It is cost efficient, and you can get lengthier cable. I will attach the Amazon buy link in the description box below, check it out. Okay, let us get to the package. Contents of the box are very simple. One Dash charging cable of 6 feet, that is 1.5 meters, a message from company folks in a cool thumb up design. That is pretty much it. This is a USB or to USB-C type, so it supports all OnePlus devices. It has 10,000 plus bend lifespan, and it is a more durable nylon braided cord. It is more durable, sturdier and super tough. I will connect my OnePlus 3T device and demonstrate that dash charging is a success or not. Yay, the dash charging works. I personally have been using the cable for about 2 months now, and there are no such problems that I have experienced by using this cable to my OnePlus 3T.
After watching the video till here, please consider hitting the like button, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get the new updates. See you on the next video. This is SpecTech signing off.